Burlington, guys, and we're in a mall. Now, this doesn't look like a mall to you, but we're in a store that was in a mall. We're in one store that was a part of the Great Mall in Olathe, Kansas. So, we're in the store right now, and you know what? Fine, I'll just tell you the name. We're in Burlington Coat Factory, which is the only store left. But I'm going to show you the back area. So as you can see, these lines, they run all across. And this floorboard might have been a part of the Great Mall, I don't know. But today we're going to show you the back. Now I know that I'm not an employee and I can't go back there, but I'm just going to show you the entrance of the Great Mall. So as you can see that white line over there, not like this floorboard, but like the white line led to this wall where those where I'm pointing at, let me see. And where I'm pointing at, like that white line over there led, and that floor, and that went to the Great Mall. Now, which is the old mall? Now the mall was like a cage. It ran out of business, but this store got a lot of business. They didn't close down this store. Why did they have to close down all the other stores? They could have just kept some stores. But they didn't. They kept only one store. Like they could have kept monkey business or Zonkers or like Dillard's. They could have kept anything. But no. Stupid idea. They threw every single way and left only one that got business. Why would only one store get business? I don't know why. But as you see, all that's around here now is just black felt. This wouldn't be here if they kept only 2 stores. Come on. You gotta be kidding me. So today, I'm gonna show you around. Okay, sorry. That time I was getting really issued. But now we're gonna look around Burlington Coat Factory. So let's see what they have. They have a lot of rugs here for some reason. Fluffy ones too. They've got even memory foam and fur. They've also got some paintings. They've got plants, fake ones. They've got even seats and chairs. And even dressers, only little stuff. They even got fancy old tables. But they do have some clear, fancy chairs. They also got some memory foam rugs. A lot of rugs here. They've also got lotions and saving. All kinds of stuff like fake plants and, glass pots. And even, French. Fun elephants. Even what? My girlfriends. They also got some toys here too, but they're only like pillows and kid-friendly stuff. And also some stupid old Disney paintings. For some reason, they've also got some pillows, cool ones. Got blankets and like posters. A lot of posters. Just only a lot of posters. They've got bags and a lot of stuff. That's what I like about Burlington Coat Factory. They've got a lot of stuff. I haven't made a video in a long time. Hopefully I'm back. I was on vacation and all that stuff. Just for some. We've also got some fancy seashells from the ocean, but I think they're fake. Some photo things. Oh look, and there's my sister when she was little. More pillows. A lot of pillows. They've also got some pots and statues. Like a frog trying to not sneeze. And a crying poor kid laughing. And an elephant who looks serious dead. And a guy who's a statue. Also some half body cut off. Turtles, heads, birds, pigs, and Chica, pots and pans. Hint, hint. We've also got some clear jewelry here. Glass. Candle holders. Glass. A lot of glass. Be careful if it comes out of Burlington Coat Factory. But the one main thing they have, the one certainly thing they have, is called Burlington Coat Factory. They have coats. Coats, 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 coats. Oh, kinds of stuff. All kinds of coats. And also kitchen stuff. But coats. They've got coats. Coats, coats. That's why it's called Burlington Coat Factory. Coats and coats and coats. And makeup and makeup and makeup. Sprays and sprays and sprays. And candy. Never thought of that. Mainly all they have here is glass, pillows, rugs, posters. A lot of coats. Clocks, statues, icicles, backpacks, back to school. Kind of. But mainly a lot of back to school. They have coats. And I'll show you. I'm going to show you all. Coats, 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 coats. Each side you look here is coats. And, oh, not some coats. But pants, coats, 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 coats. Lunchboxes. Hey look, that's mine. Boys. Boy. We've even got some ladies and fitted weight. Only ladies? Yoo-hoo! We need some boys around here. Ugh, Burlington. Hey look, a guy died pushing a shopping cart. The only feces he has is pants? Okay, that's good. All they mainly have is coats. Just coats and... Wait a second. These aren't coats. They're pants. Wait, these aren't coats. I thought they said they had coats. But it's called Burlington Coat Factory. Oh. I'm so mad. I thought they had coats. Oh. This isn't a... This is a coat. You know, they might have like one coat here, but I'm so happy now. Woohoo! 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 Mario. Wait, Mario? Mario! Okay, I'm freaked out of Mario. Next part is us driving around the outside. So what is that, a boy? Hello guys, we are just gonna go check out some things that we bought at Burlington Shirt Factory. I mean coat, but they don't have coats, they just have shirts. That's one thing that disappoints me. But now we're going to get our shirts and pants instead of coats. Okay, sorry guys. Now we're going to go to the checkout, on which we are at number... Oh man, this lady working is 2 years old. Happy birthday. Jelly Belly. I wish I had him again. I don't know what happened to him. Chocolate raisins. But they're supposed to be purple. Oh, I don't like that coffee. Oh. Strawberry mist. Oh, wait, that's not strawberry. Oh, I do like some grapes. Oh, wait, that's blueberries. Dang it, they have nothing I like. The only thing they do have Jelly Belly. So, yeah. All they have is Jelly Belly. Oh, and by the way, once we get home, we're going to finish up Aiden's band for his last song. Right, now let's go. And I'll prove that this is the Burlington factory from Olathe, Kansas. Coming out the driveway. I'll prove it to you. It's so dark I can't see, but you guys will be able to. So the Burlington factory. Look, see? Told you. Haha. This is the Olathe one. Let me get a little bit far back from the building. See Burlington factory. See, that's the mall walls right there. Right now we're heading to the car. I'm gonna hop in the back, and then I'm gonna show you the land. So there, I can finally see. Yep, see guys, I never liked you. That's the Burlington factory from Olathe, Kansas. I'm gonna show you the land. It's just me. Let me set the camera down. So we're ready. I'll pick it back up. Okay, hang on guys. I gotta buckle my seatbelt. Okay guys. Let's go. I will show you the land. Okay, see there's all the land. See a lot of land. That was where it was. See guys over there. All that land was Great Mall. She's the only daughter. Nah, I'm not getting off. Sorry guys, choked. See, look at all that land. Look at all that land. I proved to you I wasn't over there. See, it says available trust. He wasn't lying to you. So yeah guys, that was a great mall in Olathe, Kansas. The only thing that's left is Burlington factory. I better go there now before they knock it down next. Bye bye.